Hello guys, in this short video I'm going to be going over explaining how to do trading on trading exchange. Um, I'm going to explain how you can create support and resistance and what support and resistance do. How can you find this on a chart and how can you plot these to help your trading. So for this you will have to come on to TradingView. So if you go onto a website and go onto tradingview.com, and via there you can then go into and search for any ticker symbol. So here I'm going to search for BTC USDT. Okay, and when I go into BTC I am in a 15-minute chart, which means every single candlestick that you see here represents 15 minutes of price. However, because we want to work on support and resistance, and this video is actually explaining what support and resistance are, if you do need to understand how you can use support and resistance for your trading and what other techniques you can use, then please look forward to further videos and do not skip this video, because if you do, you won't understand how you can actually use this to help your trading journey. So first of all, you will have to come over here and you will have to select the longer time frame. So that'll be the 1 day time frame. And in this time frame, you will then have to zoom out a little bit as the chart is quite big. So as you can see, if we zoom out, we are able to see the price very clearly. So what this shows is every single candle that you see here, it represents 1 day of a price movement in the asset. So in this case, we are looking at Bitcoin. So what support and resistance do? It allows you to align where support is, where the price falls down to and holds a level. So a support will necessarily mean where there are buyers coming in who are putting in bids for their buys, where they are likely to buy the coin or the asset or anything. That forms a support. That is called a support, where some buyers will come in, they will put buy. If the volume of buys are higher than sellers, that will form a support zone, and then you will be able to see the candle like this. This is on the daily chart, so this is good for someone who is an investor, who is trying to invest, such as into Bitcoin, gold, silver, or any other assets. So this is very good for those kind of individuals. So here what we will do, I will draw some support and resistance zones. Resistance zone is where people are more likely to sell. They are likely to sell their assets. Okay, they have bought lower and they are wanting to take profits, so they will sell at a resistance zone, where basically resistance means there is supply, there's a supply area, so people were likely to sell in that area in order to take profits. So a support zone is normally where a price has hit a level and actually stayed in that level for either a number of days, or either it's formed more than 2 to 3 touches. That will be a support, and vice versa, the resistance will work the same. A price has reached a certain area of the chart where the price has struggled to move above a certain zone, and that is struggling on that area for X amount of days, depending on the time frame you are looking at. So if you're looking at the daily time frame, as we are right now, as you can see, the price right now is 62,704. The price is stable in this area because back in November 2021 the price was around this area and it broke down. It had broken down precisely on the 15th of November. And because it broke down and then it never reached above this price, that formed a very huge sell. It created a huge sell pressure on the market overall. But we will break down every we will break down onto a different time charts. So like the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minute. But if you are trying to understand the market on the longer scale, you have to go down to the daily, sometimes the weekly. And if you're a very long-term investor where you're investing into an asset for like a couple of years, you will look onto the monthly or the weekly chart. And if you're looking for a swing trade where you are looking to buy today or sell today and you are looking to buy back and sell at a higher price, 3 months, 6 months time, you will come on the daily time frame, sometimes in the 4 hour chart, just to get the best entry. But this video is solely just to explain what support and resistance do, how you can clearly see on the chart that I have presented in front of you. So what I will do just before I end this video, I will create some lines just to show, to make it clear what support and resistance are. So I will create an area here. I will create an area here, here, and here. And this area where the price is at the moment, this is marked as resistance. So I'll recap. This area is support because as we can see back in November 2020, the price had broken above this area. It came back down to test the area and then it bounced back up, meaning there was very good buying pressure in this area, in this zone. People were interested. They were putting their bids. They were interested in buying in this zone and the price broke above. And then it never reached this area until when? Until November 2022, 2 years later. This created a support area. It bounced. It kept bouncing. It kept holding and it's bounced above. So we know that we have confirmed that this had more than 2 to 3 touches and is created a support area. Same thing, this area around 30,000. This would have been a resistance area. As you saw, it went to this area and it broke back down because when we saw in May 2022, there was a huge selling candle, or let's say, I beg your pardon, around June 22, it caused a big selling pressure. The price went down, and then when it reached to the price, it dropped back down again. That means it had a huge sell pressure at that time. Now it's a support because it broke above this. And as long as we stay in the current area where the price is at the moment, this will be remaining resistance. In the next video, I will go onto the 4 hour time frame and the 1 hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame to give you areas of support and resistance, and I will also put in another element of indicator on the chart, how you can see or how you can predict a price. I hope you've actually enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment in the description down in the comments section down below. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, peace.